One.
All right, Kingsmill, welcome back. This is episode number 5 of our fitness center tour renovation. We just finished our hard hat tour open house. Big thank you to everyone who came on out. Heard a lot of great feedback, got a lot of good information, and was excited to see our membership out and supportive. We are going to put one more of these dates on the calendar next month, so keep an eye on it for that date. And if you didn't come this time, please make sure you come on out next time. Not a whole lot of updates since our last video 2 weeks ago. Demo is about 98% complete, just a little bit further along than we were last time. There's still some insulation left to take out, still move some fire suppression around, and remove the last little bit of electrical. But other than that, we are just about ready to go. The finalized construction documents are under review, and we are very much looking forward to being able to start putting this place back together. It's going to happen relatively soon and quick, and we are excited to start that process. But in the meantime, just 1 or 2 things left in here to clean up. But we are ready to rock and roll. The place looks great. You hear the children hanging outside. We opened the outdoor pool this weekend. Got it ready to go. Place is packed. Again, thank you for your support and looking forward to keeping this project going.